Love to eat turkey. Love to eat turkey.
Hey Panthers, welcome to your third class assembly. Happy Thanksgiving from our council to you. On behalf of our council, I would like to say thank you for your endless amount of participation and support. Without further ado, let's get this assembly started.
Thank you, Bethany. To start this assembly, we wanted to play a little game with some of our faculty members.
Did you know that Miss Yamamoto plays a unique game with her family for each holiday? They text the phrase gobble gobble as their salutation, but not just on Thanksgiving, but every occasion. The goal is to say it first. Try out this game with your family. Mrs. Nakahara's favorite Thanksgiving food is mashed potatoes with gravy. She is most thankful for her family. One unique holiday tradition she follows is eating Korean mochi. Did you know that Mrs. Miranda's favorite Thanksgiving food is pumpkin turtle pie? She is thankful for her family and her job. A fun Christmas tradition in her family is to turn on Christmas music the day after Thanksgiving every year. Did you know that Mrs. Yamaguchi's favorite Thanksgiving foods include mashed potatoes, sweet potato dessert with marshmallows, and pumpkin pie? She is most thankful for the love and support from her family and friends. Did you know that Mrs. Schrock's favorite Thanksgiving food is stuffing? She is most thankful for God and her family. A unique tradition she follows with her husband is going out to volunteer with her church through a program called Hands of Hope before they prepare their own meal.
Now we have our College and Career Center counselors with some announcements.
Hey Panthers, it's November! The College and Career Center wants to remind you to keep breathing. Many of you have already applied to many schools with early action deadlines. Yay, great job! For those of you who are going to apply to colleges or universities with regular decision deadlines, please keep on working on those applications. Are you using an application portal like Common App or Coalition? Reach out to one of us, or Mrs. George or Mrs. Ayala. Please don't wait until the last minute to ask for help with these applications, as you need a counselor to complete a school report and possibly a full letter of recommendation. Do you need a letter of recommendation? Reach out and ask teachers, coaches, and community leaders early. Are you interested in attending UH Manoa but lack the minimum requirements for admission? Consider applying for their College Opportunities Program, or COP, which gives you an alternative pathway to attend. The deadline to apply is December 2nd, so if you're interested, ask one of us about it today.
Not submitted your FAFSA application yet? Strive to complete this before winter break, please. Scholarship season is going to open. Hawaii Community Foundation opens November 15, as well as some of the Native Hawaiian scholarships are open now. Keep checking our scholarship page. Need the ASVAB? Please reach out to a military recruiter on our military information page. This site also includes some review tools for you as well. Make an individual appointment with us or drop into our Wednesday 12:30 to 1:30 p.m. office hours through the Class of 2021 Google Classroom. And the last two most important things that we can ask is, please keep checking or referring to our College and Career webpage, and that you daily check your school emails. We say again, Panthers, it's all in your hands.
Now go and be awesome!
Thank you, CNCC counselors. Now, on to Andrew with some reminders about the Blood Drive Committee and donating blood.
Hi everyone, this is just another reminder for those who are eligible to please sign up for an appointment to donate blood. We just had our first school blood drive at LDS Mililani, and I wanted to say thank you to everyone who donated. And if you didn't know about the school blood drive, then that's okay. We're still planning to have two more, one in February and one in April, so please keep an eye out for that. Remember, if you donate enough times, you can earn a cord for graduation. And there's always a need for blood, so your contributions will always make a huge difference. You can find more information on the Blood Bank of Hawaii website, so please check that out. Thank you.
Next up, we have Ardyn with a couple of announcements from the graduation committee.
Hi guys, I'm Ardyn, your graduation chair.
I wanted to let you all know that about half of you have submitted your senior agreements. We want to stress that if you don't turn in your senior agreements, you won't be able to participate in our graduation. If you're having problems with submitting your senior agreement, please email Mrs. Grande Misaki. And seniors, we have less than 180 days left till graduation. Thank you! Next, we have Taetum talking about how you can get involved with the Senior Luau Committee.
Aloha po'okolu, happy Wednesday seniors. I hope you guys are just as excited as I am to start our second semester of our senior year. Not only will we be experiencing graduation in just a few months, but our senior luau is coming up soon. And if you're interested in joining the planning committee, our first committee meeting will be held today during lunch. Don't forget to check your school Gmail for an email from Wagner regarding the link for today's meeting. Hope to see you there.
Now on to Kayla with the results of our graduation song and class motto.
Thank you to everyone who voted in our final song and motto survey. Our class motto will be, can I get a drum roll please? Here for a good time, not a long time. Our class song will be, can I get a drum roll please? History by One Direction.
You and me got a whole lot of history. We could be the greatest team that the world has ever seen.
Thank you, Kayla. Now on to Darrien with ways to stay connected with our class.
Hey seniors, make sure you are following and frequently check our class Instagram at Mililani2021 to stay updated with all things Trojan and Panther related. Also, make sure to check your emails for important announcements from Mr. Wagner and ASMHS. Join our class Remind to receive text updates about what's happening.
Visit our link tree by scanning this QR code or clicking the link in our IG bio to find more helpful links such as donating at our blood drive and the senior agreement form. We update this frequently, so don't forget to check it out often.
Make sure you are all staying connected with us. Up next, we have Sofia to talk about class merch sales.
Want to be fashionable and functional this fall? We'll be selling our 2021 class mask for $4 and our tote bags for $3. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact Mr. Wagner.
Get your class mask and tote bag while supplies last. Now we have some announcements about class giveaways.
Hey seniors, throughout quarter 2 we will be hosting some activities. The more you participate, the higher the chances are of you becoming one of our MVPs. Thank you to all of those that have participated in our past activities, and we encourage you to keep an eye out for updates on any new activities we will be hosting. Thank you.
Next, we have Kammi with reminders about our class puzzle.
Hey seniors, if you haven't already done so, please submit a picture of yourself between freshman year and junior year to participate in our class activity. Please submit your photos to 2021 Class Council at milanihs.k12.hr.us and submit your photos by the end of quarter 2. Thank you.
Now on to Jannai, who will be talking about Fall Spirit Week.
Much mahalos to all of our seniors that participated in this year's Fall Spirit Week. We enjoyed seeing all of your spooky outfits and all the participants taking part in the festive activities. We hope you all had an enjoyable Trojan thriller. Also, congratulations to our Fall Spirit Week winners, Emily Chi, Noah Okrito, and Amani Draculin.
It drives you crazy getting old.
Continue to keep that Panther spirit up, seniors. Now we have Casey introducing this month's 21st activity.
Hi guys, thank you all for participating in our November activity. If you'd still like to take the quiz, the link will be in our bio. Make sure to look out for next month's activity and participate.
Now we have a little activity for you guys to participate in. Our host for this activity is Jason. Take it away, Jason.
Hello seniors, it's time for your first activity. On the bingo card, you will see different types of Thanksgiving food. Mark the ones that you'll typically eat on Thanksgiving. Thank you so much for participating and have a happy Thanksgiving.
Up next, we have Teah to talk about #OurKuleana.
Hey seniors, our school is participating in the #OurKuleana campaign. This is a service campaign to encourage our community to take COVID-19 safety precautions seriously. This includes wearing a mask, washing your hands, and following social distancing guidelines. We would like all of you to participate by submitting a photo of yourself wearing a mask. You can do this by scanning the QR code and filling out the Google form. Take 2 minutes now to take your picture and send it in.
I got beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, lamb, ram, raw, raw. Beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, chicken, turkeys, rat. Beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, lamb, ram, raw, raw. Beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, chicken, turkeys, beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, lamb, ram, raw, raw. Beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, chicken, turkeys, rat. Beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, beans, greens, beans, greens, beans, 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 greens, potatoes, tomatoes, chicken, turkeys, beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, chicken, turkeys. You name it, you name it, you name it, you name it.
Thank you for participating. Thank you so much for watching our assembly, and we hope you have an amazing 4-day weekend. Bye!